So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Rich Haircut Professional. Today we're going to be learning something like it's round layers. And today we're going to be learning something around layers. It will be simple concept and add more layers. And visible was clean and bottom hair it will be remain the same. On top of that is creating with layering techniques which is kind flexibly visible of all the hair. Basically this haircut is really helps for something who have some mid-length to hair below shoulders and they wants to see something more volume. So this is one of the best haircut for such kind of hair who having. Let's get diving to the directly to the haircut. Before we go to the start with the haircut, we can just start into the complete of the sectionings. The sections it will be majorly impact which can be creating perfect on the layers and visible clean and neat finishing. Is all the things will be very much uniform and all the things will be seen step by step in each and every sections very detailedly. So watch till the end, you can just comes to know complete of the haircut tutorial based on the concepts and each and everything we comes to easily understand. And each and every haircut in the points and the elevations in graduation, each and everything is mentioned very clearly in the explanations. So watch till the end, you comes to know complete of the video and please let me know how was the video. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with the complete of the hair. So all sections got separated and I explained to the help of the comb as well. The front is got finished and back also started to the one line basic. The one line basic which can be carried forward something, it will elevate the complete of the layers and the significant roles which is can give into the something, add more layers and without compromising and without collapsing the length, it just can give it to the perfection of the direction for layering techniques. After that I'm just going to finish with another side, the basic hair. Now I pick from the center profile and just creating on the elevation layers. It's called the back portions with elevation which can be given to without compromising the length and without collapsing the length, we just adding the layers. The same thing will step by step thin section which is following up. Section by section, thin section. So in this haircut you can just easy to understand complete of the haircut concepts and who having something like medium and thin hair and something like less volume and limp hair. This is one of the best haircut to boost their volume and give it a good bounciness look in that haircuts and without compromise the length. After the haircut I'm just cross checking it one side. After that I come to another side. The last section going to be finished. So after that I'm cross checking in this side too. Again, this is complete of the cross checking finishing. So after that I'll come to the side portion. After that we'll start to the elevations, and we pick from the guideline from the stationary guideline, and rest of the hairs merging as in layers. After that I'm cross checking. Again I'll come to another side, the same previous side whatever I followed, then remaining I'm just following the same by this side too. After that I just pick as stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going into merge in layers. Last two section is going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. I'll come to another side in the crown portion. The crown portion, two sections at a time I'm just going to be released. Pick from the rest of the hair, it will be side, and pick from the center profile section, and just a guideline has to take in that exactly to the crown, and rest of the hair going to merge in the 90-degree layers. One side section got finished, and I'm cross checking, and after that I'll come to another side. Last section I'm cross checking after that too. And finally I'll come to the fringe portion, and just giving to the over direction of the fringe sections. Why? Because she wants something like a curve kind of, it is something like feather kind of fringe she wants, and apart from that layers also want to create. After that I'm just elevating and just creating the layers, whatever is remained the curve part was there, and giving to the clean and flexible finishing on the fringes. After that I'll come to the another side, we'll be following the same way, taking the previous fringes to the guideline and just giving to the over directions. After that to be just creating on the layers, the fringe section. It's completely got finished. I'm just releasing to the complete of the hair. Before styling, I'm just using with volume booster technique, which is called the L'Oreal one. So that can be give something nice finishing and more volume on the roots. And after that, I'm just emulsifying out the help of the comb and spreading with the entire crown portions. And after that, I'm just using a blow dry. But I'm showing you guys to the messy blow dry, because after wet hair, after you apply the products, it will be has to be emulsified nicely and clean. It will going to be absorbed very properly. And after that, you can just do the blow dry. Automatically, root will be shoot up to the booster and look so volume and thickening look in the end of the day. So before that, I'm just cleaning to the messy blow dry and just showing to my clients with finishing, messy finishing. And she was pretty much happy with the messy finishing as well. And after that, I'm just going to start the blow dry. The section by section as to the spiral blow dry, I'm going to be start. One section it will be going to be finishing. We just adding more volume purpose. We use with blow dry rollers. It will be keep hold a longer time, which can be give a good shine and finishing and flexible look, and never after that, I'll come to another side. After that, I'll come to side portion. After that, I'll come to another side. After that, I'll come to the crown portion. That is got finished. I just finally I'll come to the last front portions, the last section. After that, I'm just going to be release the complete of the haircut finishing. This is called a presentation of the after the layers. Hope you all understand, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Then you can just see complete of the mesmerizing layers, looking shine and good volume on the hair from the back. So this is a complete of the front finishing, which can be given ultimately with bouncy and voluminous look. So this is a complete of the concept which called the round layers haircut. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Minimum 600 likes I'm expecting for these videos. I'll go to the move forward. We can just, after this technique, so we're just going to give a texture after that. The texture finishing will be majorly impact for something complete of the layers. After that, I'm just going to be showing up to that finishing properly. I'm just going to start the texturing after this. I'm just going to start the texture with one side. I just took randomly with side by side compare and giving to the texture which we done something layers. The same way just we're just going to be give texture. I'm just going to start the crown portion. After that, I'll come to the fringe section. Last section. And that will be a final finishing. This is a complete of the haircut which we done the round layers, and it's looking glossy finishing and volume will be neat and clean. So this will be final look after the finishing of the haircut. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video.